Alright, so I got this push mower. This was in the trash. It was all folded up in the trash. The gas cap was open. I had it sitting outside, so I closed it. It's got some dirty, disgusting oil in it. Could use some new tires. Spark plug's on. I'm gonna get some fuel after I tighten these down. This first thing I like to do is just see if it'll even start off a carb cleaner. That's gross. That needs a new filter. That might be the reason it's not running right, if that's that bad. So if it runs off of carb cleaner, I'll put some fuel in it and see if it runs. Alright, I'm gonna crack the garage, put some fuel in it, and then see how it runs. No way. Well, I guess this isn't gonna work. Man. I guess I should make sure it's not leaking right out of the carburetor. Nope, fuel line's not hooked up. Okay, fuel line is now on. There we go. Are you still gonna leak everywhere? Alright, now let's see if it runs. So it's probably gonna need the carb cleaned, spark plug off. This isn't even recording. I just pulled all this off, and now I should be able to pry that bottom piece off of the carburetor. These are usually on there pretty well. I need to get something to pry that off. Yeah, I'd say that worked. Now I don't know entirely what's clogged in there. Nothing down there. So I'm gonna spray through some holes and see what happens. Don't know where that goes. Could be clogged. Oh, these are for the plastic cover. That's spraying out the bottom. Usually these little holes probably get clogged. Gotta pull this out, please. Gotta make sure the needle's good, which is now somewhere on the ground. Alright, I just got done cleaning the carburetor on this. This camera wasn't filming, of course, but I don't remember exactly what I did to actually clean it. But I rehooked up the spark plug, I put fuel in it, so now I'm gonna see if it starts. I think I was in the middle of taking the carburetor off, and then I got distracted, so now I'm going to take the carburetor off, take the whole thing apart, and then clean it. I think the whole thing just pops off. I don't think there's really anything actually holding it on. Yeah, so this just pops off. Then you gotta disconnect the linkage. And then there's two parts, so I gotta take the fuel line off. Fuel line is off. Now I need to take off the automatic choke cable. There we go. Now let's take this whole thing apart. Now these are 7s. There's fuel in it because I just put fuel in it. Hold that for me and that so I don't lose it. Hold that one for me. This just pops off. Should pop off. Oh, full of fuel. Now I'm covered in fuel. Great. Can't just easily come off. Yeah, just hold that for me. I mean, this looks clean. Pretty sure I already pulled the float out. I don't remember. Let's take my screwdriver. I'm just gonna pop it out. I gotta be careful to not lose the needle. Just hold all of that for me. That includes this. Don't lose that. I need that. This is a not full can of carb cleaner, but I'm gonna start spraying through here and see what needs cleaned. Full can. So now I can spray through here. Right into my face. Right into my face. Sprays out that side. Now there's all these holes. I don't know what all these do. There's a hole here. I don't know where that goes, but I'm pretty sure this whole thing comes out without breaking anything. Can I get it out? Oh. Oh. There that goes. I knew that came out. Hold that for me. So there's 3 more holes in here. I don't know where those all go to, but they're all leaking out somewhere on the other side. Let me grab that piece that I threw all the way over here. Ow. Alright, let's see this one. There's a hole in here. This looks clogged up. This looks yellow. I don't know if this is supposed to be yellow like that. This seal looks fine. There's another little silver ball in here. Let's see if I can clean some of this up. Oh yeah, this hole's clear now because it shoots out of this one. So if I spray it in this one, it should shoot out of that other one. Okay, I'm gonna shoot it in this one. Shoots out of that one. I'm not sure where this one goes. Spraying out of this one, maybe? That sprays out of the middle one as well. So now this is clear. It only goes one way back into here. And there is another hole in here. Let's see where this hole goes. All the way this far right side. I don't know where that goes, but it's spraying out somewhere. Oh, that goes. So there's a hole under that silver thing. That goes to this hole. So this is going to go back in this way. I hope it's that way. Better not be telling me it's the other way. I mean, if it's the other way, you better tell me it's the other way, because I don't know. What else do I got to do? Just a floating needle back in here? Yep. Hand me that. And now I need the floating needle. The pin actually goes through this first. And it's probably easier to have this up and down like this. Just to get the needle to where it goes. Then you're going to want to move the pin over. Well, this ain't even in the right. I got that all messed up. I dropped the needle. Oh, stay there. Needle goes back here. Hold there. Line it up in there. Slide the pin over to where it goes. And snap it into place. Screwdriver, thank you. There. Now that's back. Make sure it's not going to fall out. Hold that. I need the bowl back, thank you. This goes, I think it goes this way. Don't know. Don't think it matters. It might. Let me know down in the comments. Can I have the 2 screws back? Thank you. Oh, that's my fault. I dropped that one. That's on me. Yeah, if you could hand me the socket and wrench back, please. Thank you. Now we'll just tighten these down. Alright, now I gotta put it all back on. It goes down this way. Now I gotta get the choke linkage. That has to go on first, just because I pulled it off first. That makes sense. Now I gotta find where the throttle, oh, right here. I'm gonna hold this one with the pliers, so I have more room to twist and turn this. And it's not back in yet. There we go. Got the throttle back on. I can put the fuel line back on. Now I just gotta make sure this gets lined up. So the choke cable comes down that way, and then the throttle cable's this one. And now this has to line up down here somehow along the engine. And I think that's all on. I hope that's all on. I can't tell. Does that look all the way on to you guys? Well, I'll test it first before I put it all back together. Because otherwise, if it don't run, then I did all that for nothing and I gotta do it again. And I'd rather just leave the cover off if it don't run. So comment down below if you think it's gonna start. Yes, I'm checking to make sure the spark plug's on. I don't forget to do that all the time. Don't go look at all my other videos to see if I forget the spark plug, because I definitely don't forget the spark plug. Well, yep, now I gotta open the garage a little bit, let some air in. Now I'll test it again, make sure it still runs, because sometimes it just starts, but does it still start? Yep, first pull. So, that's going to be the end of this video. I've got a lot more mowers. Don't be looking around for anything that's around me, because it might be a future video. So don't be looking for my future videos in my background. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, I forgot to put the cover back on, but make sure you put the air tube back on this as well. That's what I'm doing right now. I just get me some long needle nose pliers that I can reach in here. Well, that took way longer to put on than it should have. I'm not putting the air filter back in there because I need a new one. And it needs an oil change. Other than that, it's ready to go. Could use some new tires. That's it.